Jaden, when we play the matching game, choose one card from the top row and one card from the bottom row. When you flip the card over, say the sound of the letter you see. If you have two the same, you get to keep the cards and say, "Lucky me!" You go first. Is there air? The top row? No match. No match. My turn. No match. Your turn.
Lucky me.
Good job. You get to go again. Is there air?
Yes.
Another match.
Lucky me.
Yay. Your turn again.
Lucky me.
Yay. Let's count your cards. Let's
1,
count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yay.
And that's how old I am.
That's how old you are. Yay.
Again?
Want to play a game? Okay.